Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in any part of the world. Now, in today's video, I'll be taking you through the basics, the be all and end all of the IELTS test. Now, in my years of teaching and preparing test takers for the IELTS test, I've come to different realizations that very many people still have, let me use the word, still harbor misconceptions about the test. The commonest of these misconceptions is that, oh, you cannot take the IELTS test at your first attempt and pass. Let me use this. Permit me to use this. That is a fat lie from the pit of hell. Of course, you can. I am telling you authoritatively, confidently, as a guru in preparing test takers for the IELTS test. It is extremely possible to take the IELTS test at the very first attempt and make fantastic scores, whether overall or modular. So have that in mind. Let's get that registered. Okay, because you need this mindset for my next point. Now, taking the IELTS test, we all know of, if for those who do not know, you know, there are 4 different modules you'll be tested on. The writing, the reading, the speaking, the listening. Now, in no particular order, all right? So these are the 4 modules the IELTS test makers will test you on. But the point is this: you need to first of all understand a few things about the test. Now, these will help you understand the test better and have a better mindset for it. Now, number 1, have it in mind that the IELTS test is not, I repeat, it is not, with a capital N-O-T, it is not a test of your knowledge. Rather, it is a test of your ability to understand information given to you. Number 2, when taking the IELTS test, have it in mind also that there is what we call what to write and there is what we call how to write. Take it from me today. Very many candidates, test takers of the IELTS test, know what to write, but only a few, just a few, know how to write. Now, there is something the IELTS examiners are looking for, which is the what, and there is a particular way or manner in which they intend to find that thing they are looking for, which is the how. So the moment you know what and how to write, coupled with the fact that it is a test of your capability to understand, it helps you further. And I can assure you that. Number 3, make sure that you register to take what I call comprehensive and in-depth preparatory classes for the IELTS. It is very important. Yes, you have loads of videos on YouTube and the rest of that, but the truth is, these guys will only give you the peripherals. They may, I can tell you, they may, on a very larger note, go deep down into the roots. So ensure that you enroll in a class that will take you through the rigors. Let me use the word, the internal anatomy of the IELTS test. Then lastly, very, very important, do what I call TAC practice. TAC practice means targeted and consistent practice. Please engage in targeted and consistent practice. It is very, very important. Now, extending this, after you must have done your targeted and consistent practice, make sure that you get a sound IELTS examiner. I could do that for you to vet your answers, to point out areas of errors and make necessary corrections. In the light of this, I have put up a 4-week in-depth IELTS Masterclass webinar beginning this Saturday. It will run from Saturday and Sunday for the next 4 Saturdays and 4 Sundays. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be the bomb. For how much? Discounted rate of 25,000 naira. Look at the flyer, see the flyer for more details. Ensure you register and rewrite your academic story. See you in that class, and I assure you, the academic Egyptians you see today, you see them no more. Shalom, Kesura.